It's the first I've ever seen a duppy turn helicopter.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Lati and I am here with another video. Well, today I'm not gonna be the one to be telling or doing a video. So my mother have been asked some duppy story, so she got some here stuff and tell you guys her story, her duppy story. So guys, please remember to like, comment, share and subscribe for more video. If you love the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new. Yes. And if you love it, request in the comment section say you want more. Yes. So let's go.
Hi everybody, I'm here with a story. It's a true story. It's a true duppy story. I don't hear it from anybody. It's me happened to. Okay, let's go ahead now. One time ago, my mother sent and called me. I'm living about a mile away from my mother. So during the day I said, okay, let's do what I have to do and then take a walk in the evening. Alright. Arrange yourself, me and my daughter and a friend of mine, said let's walk in. All three of us was ladies. On our way down, reach a part of the distance through a lonely bush road. And when I look behind a tree, I see one big eye. So I say the eye just come out. So I say, no sir, what do I like there for? But it looked like a one big dog. So I look at it. While they were walking, I'm still staring at it. Oh, I start to walk now. When I look, I see a big black dog behind me. But I don't say nothing to them in front, you know. Because I don't want to feel afraid. So while we were going on the road, man, walking and talking, but we still didn't pay attention behind. The dog keep coming on, but it's not a real dog. On our way down, middle the distance now. It's the first I've ever seen a duppy turn helicopter. When we look up, we saw a helicopter, pure light. So we try to slide under the wire now. We go under the wire and we look up. I don't know where that the plane disappeared to, you know. But when we look now, my friend and my daughter now, they make run forward, they start to run. I don't know, me get the foot from and me take up foot. When I see everybody gone left me now, I say, no, sir, I don't run no longer back. So me tap. I was just speaking in tongues now, for I don't know who me I chat to when me look, I see one lady in a full white now with piece of stick stand up so. I say, no, sir, this one you look real. So I say, no, sir, I take up your foot them and I start to shop again. When I reach up here gate now, me that my friend gate now, I say, boy, I not go on the road, they figure out for me yard, you know, me I chop it through for your yard. So I take up 3 gravel. And I say, alright. Then say, if you throw one behind you, I 2 behind and put one in your pocket. And I throw it and I say, throw it in my pocket and I start walking down my yard. I say, no, sir. When me catch a one fence, we have to go over, man. Say, me now go front way and I turn around man and start walk back way. You know, and walk back way. And me walk back way, catch a fence and creep on the back way. We creep on and go on me and say, alright. Boy, me catch over now. Me go on me yard, run and me run and go in the house. Me remember to take off back my clothes. I draw the sheet and I come up and nervous from head to toe. And the next morning now, the friend called me and said, you know, say last night the duppy come and I crap down my door. I nearly called for help or feel afraid. He said, that's right. That's why I never walk around to me gate, because I would have followed me go home. You know? So, that's it. It's very short. If you want more, tune in on the story. Tune in on the chat. And I have more to tell you. Sharp, sweet, and spicy.